So hey guys, welcome in a new DIY project. Today I tried something different. I got to my laptop and opened ChatGPT and started giving him all the ideas I have and what I want to make and what components I have. And the brilliance of ChatGPT starts showing and it explained it damn good. Even it had given me the codes and diagrams which was not necessary, but still. Now it's time to make the base of the project. I had used PVC pipes and some connectors which you can find easily in any hardware shop.
Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the
Now the base is complete and I am using 12-volt RGB LED strips and Arduino Nano.
Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules.
For the protection of LEDs and make it waterproof, I am using a silicone strip.
Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout.
Finally, the base is completed with the LED. I am using 4 push buttons which will push on and push off and an OLED display. I had given the link of all the components in the description, you can check out.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
Now all the connections are completed with the wirings in the box. This is Arduino Nano which will control the whole setup, and this is the microphone module, and this is step up module which will boost the power, and this is the power source. Here are the 4 buttons with resistors which is connected to the Arduino Nano pins, and this is the OLED display which is also connected to the Arduino Nano. For your convenience, I had given the circuit diagram in the description box so you can check out.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today.
Now it's the time to upload the code using my laptop. So at first I go to ChatGPT and copied the code. Also it had given me the circuit diagram which helped me a lot. In the Arduino IDE software, I uploaded the code and it shows me some error. So I take the screenshot and upload in the ChatGPT. And now it's fixing the errors and give me the correct code. Now when I upload this code, so you can see there is no error and the uncompiling is done. Now it's time to upload the code. And here the code is uploading. Now you can see the code has been uploaded, and in the OLED display it is showing what I had typed there. This is the effect 1. When I push the button 1, it will be the effect 1, and on the second button there will be effect 2. On the third it will be effect 3, and on the fourth button there is a sound reactive which will react on sound. Here you can see dance baby is written. You can customize what should be written in the display by just changing some codes. Even you can customize the effects and the lighting effect and the sound reactive sensation. These are some more effects that I had put in the codes. You can customize as your per convenience.